Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu qu anfusakum wa ahlikum nara. O you who believe, save yourselves and your families. From what? From the hellfire. Teach your children how you're going to save. What is the best gift that you can give to your children? That is your deen, the knowledge of Islam. If you don't know about the red signal and the green signal while you're driving, there's a high possibility that you're going to do accident. You're going to harm yourself. And not only yourself, but all the passengers that they're in the same car with you. Exactly. If you don't know how to live your life according to the teaching of Islam, according to the teaching of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, if you don't know how to live, obviously there is danger for you. Before driving, you have to pass the theory and practical. Exactly in the same way for a Muslim, you have to pass the theory and practical. The theory is Quran and practical is the life of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. لَقَدْ كَانَ لَكُمْ فِي رَسُولِ اللَّهِ أُسْوَةٌ حَسَنَةٌ. The best role model for me and you is Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. If your son is making money through drugs, through alcohol, through gambling, theft and robbery, and you are happy, mashallah, my son is bringing lots of money, you don't love your son because your son's future, that is hereafter, akhirah, is in danger. You should teach him about halal and haram. What is likes and dislikes. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala likes these things. Do it, this is halal. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala dislikes, doesn't like these things. Protect yourself from these things. This is the best gift to your son. In this way you can protect him. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam says, أَدِّبُوا أَوْلَادَكُمْ عَلَى ثَلَاثِ خِصَالٍ. Teach your children three things. حُبِّ نَبِيِّكُمْ, the love of the Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam. وَحُبِّ أَهْلِ بَيْتِهِ, and the love of the family of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. وَتِلَاوَةِ الْقُرْآنِ, and the recitation of the Quran. This is the message of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam for me and you, for all of us. Instead of movies, taking your children to cinema, teach them about the love of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Discuss with them about the beauty of Rasulullah, about the miracles of Rasulullah, about the manners of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, the message of deen. Discuss with them. What is the name of our Prophet? We don't know. What was the message? We don't know. We know how to earn money. We know about this world. But we don't know about our akhirah, about our deen, about our Quran, about our Prophet Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, his message. We want money. Why? Because we want to be highly. We want the status in the community. We want the izzat, the honor in the community through mal. Brother, Quran says, فَمَنْ زُحْزِحَ عَنِ النَّارِ, the one who is protected from the fire, وَأُدْخِلُ الْجَنَّةِ, and the one who will go to Jannah, فَقَدْ فَازَ, he is successful. The one who protects himself from the fire and will go to Jannah, Quran says this is the standard of success. He will be successful. अगर माल से कोई सक्सेसफुल होता ना तो कारून सबसे बड़ा सक्सेसफुल था. हुकूमत से होता तो फिरौन होता, नमरूद होता, शद्दाद होता. पावर से होता तो फिरौन होता, लीडरी से होता तो अबू जहल होता. इन चीजों से नहीं बनती. आखिरत की जिंदगी बिलाल हबशी वाली जिंदगी से बनती है. चाहे वो गुलामी में हो, लेकिन अल्लाह को याद के अल्लाह को नहीं छोड़ा. तो ये जो अशरा है, ये जहन्नम से आज़ादी का है. Freedom from the hellfire. These days are the days that if we make the most of these days, ibadat, sajda, tawbah, repentance, then there is a guarantee, the wa'da from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you'll be free from the hellfire. अभी भी वक्त नहीं गया है, कुछ दिन बाकी हैं, यहां से खुद को बदलें.